with a world of good for your house, subject to T's and C's, of course, all powered by indirect solar energy. I mean, I hate to say it, but he's just got to get off. He's striking at 109. You've got enormous power to come. Just leave the field, Chief. I mean, you are the skipper. Do the right thing by your team. You can't run the twos quickly. You're not helping your mate at the other end. I'd say just go off, get treatment. You've done your job.
Got to keep wicket later as well, hasn't he? Captain the side. It's round about now that we've seen Multan Sultan just turn on the afterburners, isn't it? Just after the halfway mark. And they got off to a fabulous start again. The pitch looks good, not as good perhaps as it was the first time we used it, but they still score a 180 in the offing here.
Only 2 for 1 in the 12th over. And don't forget to share your most creative HBL PSL TikToks. Hashtag Hojajasbati on the app. Win exciting prizes and a trip to see me in Dubai. Oh, knocking on the door.
You'd be one of the guys who the terms and conditions count for, because we just wouldn't know which house to put the solar system on. Here's a look at Riley Rousseau. 7 sixes in the tournament so far. He has been flying. He's destroyed spin as well. Let's bounce back off the pads of Matthew Wade. But Riley Rousseau has found them into that bat and has found the surface and the boundary size to his liking here in Multan.
Matthew Wade has screamed 4 times. He's hit it. He's hit it.